Hi, I'm Leighton and I'm going to talk about data and statistics. I surveyed kids in double math on how many hours of sleep they get on an average on a weekday. This was the survey. It shows that most people had 8 hours of sleep. This is also known as the mode. You find the value that occurs the most. To find the mean, you have to add up the total number, then divide by the amount of numbers there are. I added up 24 numbers, which led to 196. Then divided by the amount of numbers to get the average and got 8 2/3 hours of sleep. I figured out how to create a Boxy and Whisker plot by Mr. Wong. At first I didn't know what to think, but then he showed me and I got a little disappointed. But I still have to talk about it. So here we go. I wrote down all the numbers of sleep and how many there are. I have 24 numbers, so I split it in half, which is 50%. Then I split the 50% up in 25%, and then I did it to the other side. From there, I got to find out the minimum, Q1, also known as quartile 1, median, Q3, and maximum. Now let's see how good the school really is. I did a test on if people put their phone in Yonders. Most people didn't. 21% of people put their phone in Yonders, 3% don't have phones, and 76 people don't put their phone in Yonders. You might be wondering how to create a Boxy and Whisker plot. Box and Whisker plot. So I asked Mr. Wong, but he just called me crazy. So instead of a Box and Whisker plot, we are going to do a histogram. On this chart, there are a lot more no's than yeses, as you can see. It can show the frequency, it can show if it's positive or negative, but here it is just yes, no, and maybe. We could use this in everyday life to find out the data and statistics of anything you want. Thank you for listening.